Good morning and welcome back to the 2025 Agro Expo event. My name's Travis Kiesel, coming to you from the Hutson booth here at the Agro Expo event. Proud to have Nathan Beyerlein with me this morning. Nathan, good morning. Introduce yourself if you would.
My name's Nathan Beyerlein. I am the data manager here in Michigan. So I get to work with Operations Center, a bunch of our advanced technologies, and do that with all our customers here in Michigan. So it's really, really fun.
Sure, awesome. Nathan and I are going to talk a little bit about Operations Center ProService. This is a new feature within John Deere Operations Center. I guess, Nathan, let's start off with maybe just a snapshot of what is Operations Center for somebody that's not ultra familiar with that. Let's maybe give them a snapshot of that.
Yeah, so Operations Center is a whole farm tool where we have the ability to monitor equipment that's connected, make sure we monitor our maps and what our crops are doing. And it's kind of a whole farm overlook of how we did at the end of the year or even through the year.
Sure. One of the new features that's been recently released is a feature called ProService. Can you talk a little bit about ProService, what it is, where it's at in Operations Center?
Yeah, so ProService is really exciting. We're really happy that that's out there now. A lot of customers might have been used to seeing Customer Service Advisor. So Customer Service Advisor, ProService is basically the same thing. It's a web application, so there's a new service tab inside Operations Center now. Customers can click that drop down where they will be able to make maintenance plans through Maintenance Manager, as well as go to the ProService icon. That will allow them to see warranty, product improvements, anything kind of with that machine. And then for $195 a unit of the connected machines, or if you have enough units on your farm, that's about $5,000 a year, they can then monitor their own software and do their own software updates and different maintenance things along those lines now.
Sure. I know this journey of customers, ensuring customers have the right to repair their own equipment has been a journey for John Deere. It's been a journey for Hutson as well. And so I know Hutson has been clear over the years that we want to ensure that customers have the right to repair their own equipment. If they are a do-it-yourself person, they have the ability to do it themselves. If they want a Hutson professional service technician to be able to do that work, they have the ability to do that. If they want to use a third-party mechanic, they have the ability to do that as well. And so, again, at Hutson, we firmly believe that customers have the right, should have, and have the right to repair and make that decision of who they're doing that repair with. Nathan, I think one of the big pieces with this ProService piece is that customers can now utilize the connectivity of their machine. Maybe talk a little bit about what does that give them the ability to do with their equipment in ProService?
Yeah, so the big things that the connectivity piece behind it does with the M series modems and the R series modems, it allows you to get service codes, stop codes. It allows you to see the machine utilization of, am I using the full horsepower that machine has? Am I doing anything else different that I should change? The other big things is having those MTGs on there allows us to remotely send software directly to that machine. So when that operator gets in there, they can select on the display, I'm ready to download this new payload.
It's important, especially that connectivity piece gives a whole new layer of capability, really. And I think we've talked a lot about connectivity here at the show, a lot of questions about connectivity, cellular connectivity and whatnot. And so that ProService, a connected machine with a ProService application is going to be a real game changer.
Yeah, and then the other really exciting part is we now have shop.deere.com integration on all Operations Center, Equipment Mobile, and all those customer-facing tools. So you can get the parts delivered right to your door or have them shipped right to the store.
No, it's great, Nathan. I think what all of this ProService comes down to, and even within operation, what all of this ProService within Operations Center comes down to, is really giving the customers a better ownership experience. So if a customer, again, is a do-it-yourselfer, they can look up the diagnostic trouble code. They can look up the how to troubleshoot the issue. And then they can put their parts order in right on shop.deere.com, all within the same place. And so, again, Hutson is a firm believer that you should have the opportunity to do that repair as you see fit. So we are blessed to have hundreds of technicians in our organization that we have the opportunity to train throughout the year. And so those professional technicians are obviously highly skilled, highly trained, highly adaptable to the equipment that we sell and provide that layer of support. And so obviously we feel that that is a great avenue for customers, is to utilize our service departments. But again, if they choose to do the service themselves or choose to use a third party, we absolutely support that as well for our customers. So Nathan, anything in close as we talk about ProService or customers from a repair standpoint?
Yeah, I mean, the biggest thing is everybody has the tools. Even on the free level, there's a lot of free information that they can do for their own service intervals, get a lot of that tracked digitally. And then hopefully in the future, we'll be able to do more interconnections with the dealership side so everybody can pick up where each other left off at the end of the day.
Sure. Nathan, thank you for your time this morning here at Agro Expo. For any of your questions on ProService or any topics around repair manuals, diagnostic procedures, and the like, always feel free to reach out to any of your Hutson service professionals or any of your precision team members as well. Thank you and goodbye now from Agro Expo.